Adrian, give me your hand.
Open. It's open, I got the keys.
Wait, do
We'd love to take you on a tour if you want to go on the tour.
I want to. Do we have to take our shoes off?
This is the Dolphin House Bimini.
Leave these 2 doors till we get back.
Alright.
If you got a camera, why don't we take a picture of the kids right here? And I mix it with beach sand and drinking water, and this is what you get right in the middle of it. It holds it all together.
How you going?
One more.
Just one more?
Right now on my tree. You know?
You see the baby dolphin?
Dolphin shower. You can shower. Coins. These are the things that I use to make the dolphin hook. Beach glass, seashells, broken dishes, cups, mugs, jugs, beer bottles, domino chips, sea buoys, play marbles, coins. These are the things that I use to make the dolphin hook. Hey, look at that domino chip.
Why you put it down
Hey,
there?
Banjoe, look at this. You see this? What is that? Look at it.
Bottles. These are bottles.
Bottles? Touch the bottle, Adrian.
Bottle.
Yep.
Yeah, making all those good starfish. Pickle sausage jugs.
Wow. You got a cap. Close it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The cap's over here.
There's a lot of boo-boo. I know. I
You
don't
get good, Rick.
Money tree mower.
Nemo.
See Nemo there? Look at Nemo.
Nemo. Those gold rod.
Yeah, you got to make it back.
Now these
Mommy.
go
Cinder blocks behind them, man.
Now the roof, is that concrete?
Concrete above our heads, guys. Little cowboy boots.
Oh, a dolphin up there.
It's a dolphin.
Yeah. Been here for 10 years. All the decoration took about 10 years. Hey guys, let's go take a photo.
I'm gonna go on the fourth floor.
All handcrafted.
Now there's some.
When there's south, that S, that means it's south. That's the direction on their compass.
No, you do that. East on the waffle.
Recycling, okay?
Is this how you make the concrete?
We call that recycling. It's a part of building code.
We get this part.
This is really good. Okay, let's go. We ain't done yet. That's a Bohemian national treasure.
Here's the shop.
Yeah, I made this shop.
You made this shit?
You gotta write a little report about the museum.
Let's go in there, guys.
This is the museum.
Here's Obama. Right on that plate right there.
Fishing.
What's in there?
That's coconut. Hello. Yeah, at the Dolphin House. Yeah. You come on all right over. Okay, bye.
I like Elvis. I like Elvis.
Elvis is the king of rock and roll, man.
There's a shell right there.
He can break a conch shell with his teeth. Rock and roll.
The Taj.
Oh my God! $1.
Hey, look at this guy. What is this? Look at all these shell in here. One fell out. Have you ever seen a baby shark? Hey, Banjoe. You ever seen a conch shell fish?
We went fishing and we saw one.
Oh, yeah.
That's nice.
That's a snake, Adrian.
Remember?
He was bad. Grant. I think Grant went on one.
He was with the soldiers. Grant was with the North.
I think
When
Grant
you read
lost.
about American history, you still got to read about General Robert E. Lee. Lincoln, Obama. Remember?
He was bad, Grant.
Thank you to let us see the Dolphin House. What's the website?
www.dolphinhousebimini.com. Oh, excellent. I put this on the wall.
Right here.
There we go. Hey, take a picture of that. You got a wonderful family, man. Keep it together. Wonderful family. The deli over? Yeah, right there by the deli.
Watch out, Adrian. Watch out.
Watch out!
Adrian. Mackenzie.
I'm Cersei.
Hey, you can get conch right there. When you make a left turn this way, you're going to see a little pink shack. And it's called CJ's Deli. You can get some conch. Some conch. It's green. It's colored green now. And down at the bottom there is the straw market. Then further down is Big John.
Hey, how far is Big John?
But